Over 80% of the world's wealth belongs to just 1% of the population. Sobering, right? Meanwhile, billions around the globe struggle to make ends meet. Clearly, money doesn't distribute itself equally. But what if there was a way to tip the scales in your favor? A way to join the elite ranks of the ultra-wealthy? Turns out, there is. The rich have mastered a set of key skills that almost guarantee their financial success. And here's the good news. These skills can be learned. Welcome to Master Wealth, your go-to place for reliable financial insights. In this video, we'll break down what these skills are and how to start honing them in your own life. You'll discover the secrets of how self-made millionaires think and operate, and how to shift your mindset to attract prosperity. Whether you feel stuck in the rat race or ready for a quantum leap in your net worth, these skills are your springboard. These are the same exact skills that changed the story of Philip through the intervention of his friend, Kenny. When Kenny first met Philip was stuck working a dead-end job just to pay the bills each month. He knew he wanted more out of life, but didn't have the skills or mindset to get ahead financially. Does his situation sound familiar? One day over coffee, Kenny told Philip about these 11 wealth-building skills and how mastering them could completely transform his financial situation. Over the next few years, he devoted himself to developing those critical skills. Was it easy? Not at all. Philip still had a long way to go, but he started seeing small wins. He got a promotion after improving his communication abilities. He launched a profitable side business by embracing his entrepreneurial thinking. Philip made his first investment by sharpening his financial literacy. Slowly but surely, Philip was laying the foundation. But he still faced obstacles, like an unexpected job loss that challenged his resilience. We'll finish Philip's story later. Now, let's explore those wealth-accelerating skills that put him on the path to prosperity. The skills that changed Philip's financial trajectory are the same ones we'll be exposing in this video. They will help unlock your potential for abundance too. First up is financial literacy, the core understanding of money management. Concepts like budgeting, investing, taxes, credit, and interest sound boring. It's anything but. Financial literacy is cool, but it gives you control over your money instead of letting your money control you. So, where are key areas to focus on? Learn budgeting basics. The 50-30-20 budget is a great framework to follow. This ensures you cover needs, wants, and savings. Master credit. Understand credit scores, reports, and how to use credit responsibly to your advantage. Comprehend taxes. Learn the difference between refundable and non-refundable tax credits. For example, knowledge is power when it comes to getting the biggest tax refund. Grasp insurance. Make sure you have the right insurance for your needs. Understand how deductibles, premiums, and coverage work. Make learning fun by using resources like podcasts, books, online courses, and financial literacy apps. The more financially literate you become, the more money you'll be able to make and keep. Knowledge is financial power. Next skill on our list is investing knowledge. Once you've built a solid foundation of financial literacy, it's time to put that knowledge into action by developing your investing skills. Investing is one of the most proven ways to grow wealth. Learn investing strategies such as dollar cost averaging, diversification, analyzing market conditions, and more. Research how to pick stocks. Look at PE ratios, EPS, dividend yield, and growth rates. Discover different asset classes in the likes of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, commodities, etc. Each has pros and cons. Understand retirement savings. Learn 401ks, IRAs, and other accounts work to save for the future. Master real estate investing. Study rental income, appreciation, REITs, house flipping, and more. Gaining investing knowledge takes time, but pays massive dividends down the road. Even starting small will get your money working for you. Now, let's discuss arguably the most critical skill on this list, developing an entrepreneurial mindset. The great thing is, you don't need to start a business to have this skill set. With an entrepreneurial mindset, you're able to spot opportunities, take calculated risks, solve problems creatively, and handle uncertainty. But what ways can one easily cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset? Read biographies of great entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs or Sarah Blakely. See how their minds work. Take initiative at work. Look for problems to solve and pitch new ideas. Research trends and consumer needs. Find problems waiting for solutions. Don't fear failure. Take calculated risks and see failures as learning. Think long term. Don't quit at the first roadblock. Power through. The more you stretch yourself out of your comfort zone, the more your entrepreneurial abilities will grow. Soon, you'll start seeing money-making opportunities everywhere. The next skill you must master is communication skills. Yes, you need to sharpen the ability to share your ideas and connect with others. Mastery here pays dividends in business, career, and relationships. Here are some ways to level up. Become an engaging storyteller. Paint vivid pictures with words. Master your body language. Maintain eye contact. Open posture. Smile. Become a better listener. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions. Learn public speaking. Join Toastmasters to conquer any fears. Write clearly. Take an online business writing course to improve. Negotiate win-win deals. Learn techniques to achieve your goals while building goodwill. Provide constructive feedback. Give criticism in a sensitive but clear way. The more you practice communicating powerfully, the more you'll earn others' respect and loyalty. Those relationships can unlock opportunities down the road. Now, for a skill crucial to growth and survival, let's talk about adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, the only constant is change itself. Adaptability allows you to navigate change and even turn it to your advantage. Some ways to increase adaptability include letting go of rigid mindsets. Be open to changing course. Try new things. Variety expands your perspectives. Traveling to new places, immersing in different cultures builds agility. Taking criticism without defensiveness. Feedback helps you improve. Seeing a failure as data. Learn from what went wrong. Embracing uncertainty rather than freezing up. Stay flexible. Pivoting when needed. Shift gears quickly when things aren't working. Strategic networking tips include going to industry events, looking for conferences and seminars in your field. Meet people with shared interests. Follow up consistently. Don't let new connection drop. Continue engaging, providing value. Share useful articles. Make thoughtful introductions for others. Deepening relationships turn contacts into real connections. Practicing your pitch. Be able to introduce yourself confidently and concisely. Being authentic builds rapport by taking a genuine interest in others. The more you nurture your networks, the more you'll gain access to game-changing resources and opportunities over time. The next skill you need to master is time management. Your time is your most precious resource. That makes time management incredibly lucrative. The better you maximize your time, the more wealth you can create. Some impactful time management tactics to help you better manage your time include: identify your peak productivity hours. Do your most challenging work during your prime time. Batch similar tasks. Knock them out in one block instead of constant switching. Use productivity tools apps like Asana, Google Calendar, Rescue Time. Automate what you can. Eliminate time wasters. Curb social media scrolling, long lunches, pointless meetings. Prioritize ruthlessly. Stop doing low-impact tasks others can do. Delegate. Outsource tasks that don't require your unique skills. With a laser-focused time management, you'll get exponentially more done each day that compounds into major career and business growth. Now, let's build the ability to turn problems into opportunities by mastering problem-solving skills. When faced with challenges, many people catastrophize and assume the worst. But great problem solvers react differently. They see problems as opportunities in disguise. You can develop Jedi-level problem-solving skills with tactics such as defining the problem clearly. You can't find solutions until you've identified the issue accurately. Noting underlying causes. Dig deeper to find the source instead of just addressing surface symptoms. Researching solutions thoroughly. Learn best practices from others who dealt with similar problems. Thinking creatively. Brainstorm options with no bad ideas. Combine and iterate. The better you become at creative problem solving, the more roadblocks morph into opportunities. That's a lucrative skill set. Now, let's talk about the skill that will help you get comfortable with uncertainty. Taking calculated risks. You've probably heard the phrase, no risk, no reward. But smart risk-taking balances that with no stupid risks either. Here are some guidelines for taking risks without recklessness. Assess the upside. Get crystal clear on the possible reward and ROI first. Don't just leap. Weigh the downside. What's the likely impact if things don't go as planned? Mitigate risks. Brainstorm ways to reduce risk exposure if you proceed. Determine go or no-go. Visualize the best and worst case scenarios. If you would regret not trying, go for it. Have a backup plan. Leave room to pivot, just in case. Agility reduces risk. Start small if needed. Take baby steps with smaller risks first. Learn from failures. Extract lessons when things don't work out and adjust. With practice, intelligent risk-taking will start to feel natural. Setbacks won't faze you. That's how fortunes are built. Next is leadership skill. If you want to build a successful business, leadership skills are crucial. But leadership applies beyond business too. Influence and inspiring others are invaluable assets. Some ways to develop leadership chops include modeling desired habits and ethics, set the tone you expect from others, lead by example, communicating proactively and with transparency. Over-communication reduces confusion, providing helpful feedback and praise, guide others' growth, recognize achievements, remaining calm under pressure. In tough situations, think clearly and radiate reassuring confidence. Admitting mistakes, no one is perfect, and honesty builds trust. Making collaboration a priority. Listen to other perspectives. Build team spirit. Maintaining self-care. You can't inspire others without caring for yourself first. True leadership stems from character and competence. Focus on developing both. Now, let's talk about a very crucial skill, resilience. Things will not always go smoothly no matter how masterful you get. Yet, resilience allows you to recover quickly and stay motivated despite hurdles. This mental muscle grows through challenges. Some ways to build resilience include reframing failures objectively, take the emotion out, and analyze what happened factually. Developing self-compassion, be kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up over missteps. Surrounding yourself with positive people. Naysayers worsen resilience, considering the bigger picture. Look beyond this one obstacle or disappointment. Celebrating small wins. Recognize your progress. Taking breaks. Walk away when you're frustrated and come back calmer. Strengthening your support system. Loved ones. Nurture resilience with strong resilience. No failure will keep you down for long. You'll bounce back smarter each time. Now, back to Philip's story. When he lost his job, Philip had to dig deep into his resilience, but he didn't dwell on the loss. Instead, he tapped into his entrepreneurial thinking to turn the setback into an opportunity. He used his communication abilities to find freelance gigs. He leveraged his networking contacts to uncover exciting new prospects. And before long, Philip had built a thriving consultancy. By mastering those critical skills, he transformed his biggest obstacle into his breakthrough moment. Just like Philip, you can achieve any level of financial success if you commit to lifelong mastery across those 11 wealth-creating skills. Now, we'd love to hear your biggest takeaways in the comments below. What resonated with you most? Which skills are you excited to start developing? We look forward to hearing your insights. Also, check out the other helpful videos here on the channel by clicking the one displayed on the screen. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!